Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried one of these 24-hour vending machines? So I'm at one here in Benidorm, and let me show you what they actually do. So in these machines you can get energy drinks, vitamin water, you can get milkshakes, they're $2.70. Iced coffees, and water for 70 cents. You can also get yourself food. There's another machine here, a burger queen, which seems to be like just a double burger basically, €3. It's like one with some bacon there, barbecue sauce. You can get hot dog there for €2.50. And some pizza for $2.50. A York and cheese, that's ham and cheese kind of thing. Barbecue rib, €3. Some nuggets there. Is that a ham and cheese sandwich for $2.50? There's a double cheeseburger there for €3. Kebab sort of burger for free. Waffle there for €2. Panini. And of course you've got coffee machine there. Then you can get yourself a can of pop. Can of Monster there if you want for €2. A bottle of Coke for $1.70. You can get yourself some biscuits.
El sistema ese para que no se quede enganchado las cosas.
Chocolate Pringles. Crisps. And then if you want some sweets, tobacco papers, lighters, so on. Drop a comment down below if you've ever tried these machines. Let me know what you thought, and I'll see you on the next one.